Development of a new vaccine is a complex and lengthy process. Typically, it's taking between 5 and 10 years.
Regardless of how long it takes, it is a very rigorous process, and safety is actually continually assessed throughout the clinical trials. The FDA is still requiring these vaccines to go through all the rigorous paces and to not skip a beat with regards to the formal requirements. And then it progresses through phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 clinical trials. Typically, there are a few things we're looking for in developing the vaccine through these processes of the preclinical and clinical studies.
A vaccine is evaluated for safety and efficacy. Safety means that we need to demonstrate that the vaccine is well tolerated and is not associated to adverse reaction, especially severe adverse reaction. And efficacy means that we need to demonstrate that this vaccine protects against the clinical disease.
Vaccine development usually begins in a lab. We're trying to optimize different candidate vaccines, comparing them side by side, and usually one starts with a very wide breadth of different candidates and kind of narrow the field down as you go along.
In phase 1, we do studies in a small group of healthy adults trying to demonstrate safety and the first approach of immune response.
Typically a phase 1 is the sort of meat and potatoes of the very first in human safety evaluation, and that will be typically a smaller trial with about 15 to 20 patients.
In phase 2, we try to demonstrate the immune response of this vaccine in the population which is going to be target of vaccination. That can be healthy adults, can be elderly, or can be children, or any special population with different characteristics.
The size of the trial expands, and we begin to look at other parameters of the vaccine, not just safety, but how well it works.
In the phase 3, we try to demonstrate the protective efficacy of this vaccine in the population.
Testing the vaccine in different types of patient populations. One's patient populations that more accurately represent where you'll eventually be using that vaccine.